Hi, we are doing logarithm. Evaluate means find the value. The first one is log 0.01 to the base 10. Now, how do we write this? We can write it that log 0.01 to the base 10 be equal to x. Fine. And now change the log to exponential form. How do we change it? Log b to the base a is equal to y. Then the base remains same and we interchange the answer and the log. That is a raised to the power y is equal to b. This is the exponential form of this log. Same way, the base will be 10 only and we will interchange this. That means 10 raised to the power x is equal to 0.01. 10 raised to the power x, 0.01 means 1 upon 100, right? 10 raised to the power x is 1 by 10 raised to the power 2. We know in exponential form, when we have learned exponents, this is the rule of exponent, that anything in the denominator can become the numerator and the power gets changed to negative. Fine. Or if anything is in the numerator, if it has to be denominator, the power gets negative, vice versa. So 10 raised to the power x is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 this side. As the bases are same, so x is equal to, the powers will become same, so x is equal to minus 2. Then the second one is log 1 by 8 to the base 2. Let it also be equal to x. Same way, we will change it into exponential form. 2 raised to the power x is 1 by 8. Here is 2. So we will change the 8 into, we'll write it as factor of 2. So this will become 2 raised to the power x by 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. Because 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. We want to make the base same, so we change 8 into 2 raised to the power 3. So 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 3, because when the denominator is brought to the numerator, the power becomes negative. So here the bases are same, so power will become also equal. So in this case, x is equal to minus 3. Now we will see the third one, which states that log 1 to the base 5 we have to find. So again, let it be equal to x. Change it into exponential form. So this becomes 5 raised to the power x is equal to 1. Now we know in exponential form 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power is 1, right? So now we can write 1 in the form of 5 raised to the power 0, because here we have 5. If it was some other number, we would have expressed it in that number ka base. So this will become 5 raised to the power x. Instead of 1, we can write 5 raised to the power 0, right? So x is equal to 5 and 5 same, so x is equal to 0. Fine. So now we will see the fourth one, log 125 to the base 5. So let it also be equal to x. 5 raised to the power x is equal to 125. 125, when you factorize, it becomes 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Same way, 5 raised to the power x is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. The bases are same, the powers become equal. So x is equal to 3. Now we'll see the fifth one, log 8 to the base 16. Let it also be equal to x. So 16 raised to the power x is equal to 8. Now what we will do here, we will put it in the lowest prime number form. That means we will factorize it and put it in 2 form. Then both the side ka base will become same. 16 is 2 raised to the power 4 to the power x and 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. So this will become 2 raised to the power 4x is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. 2 and 2 same, the bases are same, so the powers become equal. That is 4x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 4 goes that side and becomes divide 3 by 4. Now we'll see the sixth one. Log 16 to the base 0.5. So what we will do here now, again let it be equal to x. Fine. So now 0.5 to the power x is equal to 60. Fine. Now 0.5 will be written as 5 ka decimal we'll remove and we'll put a 10 at the bottom. This is how we remove the decimal. So 5 by 10 to the power x is equal to 16. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So this has become 1 by 2 ka power x is equal to 16. 16 we know is 2 raised to the power 4. Here we have 2 in the denominator. So we will make it in the numerator. We know when the number is at the denominator and we have to make it to the numerator, the power becomes negative. So here it was 1 by 2 raised to the power 1. 1 will become 2 raised to the power minus 1. So we can write 2 raised to the power minus 1 into x is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. So this will become minus 1 into x become minus x is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Two bases are same. So minus x is equal to 4. That means x is equal to minus 4 because we want a value of positive x, not the negative x. So if minus x is 4, then positive x is minus 4. How it becomes? Because we multiply it with minus on both the side. So minus minus becomes plus and this becomes minus 4. This is how we will find the